Designing, Building, and Reading. These third grade students at Okatie Elementary School took part in a literacy-based science, technology, engineering, and math project.
We've been working on the South Carolina picture book nominees, and one of the nominee books this year is If I Built a School. So I had the kids brainstorming different things that they would love to see in their school. So I had them focus on just one room. Pick a room in the school that they would love to change, and what would they do with it.
To begin the lesson, the media specialist shared the book with the students by conducting a read aloud.
It was about how the little boy named Jack, how he designed his school. I liked about how he did the playground because he added a bunch of swings and he added a big water slide.
After discussing the book, the students sketched out their classroom designs and got to work building using several different types of materials like Legos, magnetic blocks, Lincoln logs, and more.
First, I made the letters A, V, Y, and Z, and then there's a roller coaster that brings you to each classroom, and then a roller coaster that brings you to the playground. And the reason why I did that was because I think it's pretty cool, and roller coasters are my thing.
I went for kind of a castle theme and kind of an animal theme, and why I did that was because I really like animals, and when I was a little girl, I used to play with princess dolls, and that kind of reminded me of what's happened in my life, so that's why I picked it.
The students also wrote about the classrooms they built and presented it to the teacher. She was very impressed with their creativity.
To open up their imagination, to think about different possibilities and how they can think about expanding their thought process and then using their thoughts and using their hands to build from it.
At Okatie Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.